Hong Kong reported 3,486 new COVID infections today, with 173 imported cases. With COVID-positive cases continuing to surge at public hospitals, the authorities said they will step up PCR testing arrangements next week. Christy Khan reports.
Daily COVID cases surpassed 3,000 for the fifth consecutive day. Certain classes from 2 schools have to suspend in-person lessons for the week after some students came down with COVID. Earlier, some health experts suggested a daily rapid antigen test arrangement can be lifted if individual schools can achieve an over 95% vaccination rate. But the authorities believe the rapid test should remain in place to protect both students and staff.
I think this is a good way to screen out those test positive cases to prevent major outbreaks in the schools. So at the present moment, we only observe a few clusters of cases among individual classes in some of the schools, around a few a day. So I think this is an effective measure to prevent major outbreaks in the schools, and it should be maintained in the meantime.
This as 5 more residential care homes across Hong Kong reported infections. Some residents were sent to quarantine. More infections have been identified in different hospitals, including Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Hong Kong Buddhist Hospital, and North District Hospital. This prompted the authorities to bolster testing for staff members as well as nursing students to prevent the expansion of clusters.
Starting from next Monday, staff members who take care of high-risk patients must do 2 extra tests per week. As for nursing students, the requirement is the same. They must do an RT every day.
Meanwhile, the hospital authority has kicked off a trial run offering online medical consultations. COVID patients with mild symptoms can make their consultation appointments via the HA app. After the consultation, the prescribed medicines will be delivered to the patients via door-to-door courier services. However, this service is not yet available to the public. Additionally, the hospital authority also clarified that 2 types of medicine, paracetamol and sulfacetin sodium injection from China, were imported in compliance with local laws. The HA expressed regret over allegations by some local media that they had imported and used unauthorized medicine. Christy Khan, TVB News.